Two web hosting giants, Hostinger and Zynoo, face off today, but which one really delivers? On one side we have Hostinger, famous for its budget-friendly, beginner-focused packages. On the other, Zynoo, a rising star promising speed and innovation. Let's skip the marketing lingo and see how they truly perform. Each category earns points, so by the end you'll get a clear winner. You might be surprised by who takes the crown. Okay, before we dive into all the juicy details, here's the game plan. We're comparing everything: price, performance, scalability, security and backups, design, flexibility, ease of use, and support. It's basically a mind map of everything you need to know before you swipe your card. Ready? Let's kick it off with price. Starting off with price, so Hostinger keeps it pretty low at the start, and honestly those upfront discounts look amazing, but don't get blindsided by all the upselling at checkout. And yeah, the renewal costs, they definitely creep up. Zynoo though, this is kind of wild. What you see is what you get. The pricing is super clear, no hidden stuff, which is such a relief. The trade-off is the absolute cheapest tier is a bit bare bones, but hey, if you just need to get online without breaking the bank, Zynoo's got it. So for pure value, Zynoo definitely takes the win here. Next up, let's talk performance. Hostinger is sort of a beast when it comes to uptime and handling those annoying traffic spikes. Sometimes, especially on the most basic plans, the speed is just okay, but overall it seriously delivers. Now Zynoo, it's fast if you've just got a little site, maybe a portfolio or blog, and it's actually pretty impressive for the price. But if you get hit with a bunch of traffic, things slow down real quick. So performance-wise, Hostinger definitely edges out Zynoo. Scalability, oh, this is where Hostinger flexes. You can start small and then, when your site blows up, bump straight to VPS or cloud hosting. Tons of options for WordPress or even your own nerdy setup. But yeah, buckle up for higher costs if you really grow. Zynoo, it's honestly perfect for a portfolio site, maybe a microblog or a personal project, but as soon as you want to get serious and ramp up, you totally hit a wall. So if you want room to grow, Hostinger takes the win here. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Hostinger actually powers over 29 million websites around the world, which is huge, right? Meanwhile, Zynoo is focused on just making it super easy for solopreneurs to launch. Wild how different their goals are. Security and backups, kinda a big deal. Hostinger gives you automatic backups all the time and packs in nice stuff like DOS protection and BitNinja. That's solid for peace of mind. The catch is, restoring your site easily can be locked behind their higher tier plans. Zynoo comes with basic SSL, which is nice, but if you want regular backups, you're paying extra, and advanced security features just aren't really on the menu. So yeah, Hostinger is definitely a notch above on this one. Design and flexibility, okay, Hostinger gives you full control if you want to dig into the code, and the WordPress integration is super deep. Downside, that dashboard can be a little intimidating if you're just starting out. Zynoo is so much more like drag-and-drop friendly. It even uses AI to build a site for you, and the templates actually look modern, not like 2012. But if you're a coder or a power user wanting to tinker, this is not the place. Honestly, whether you want pure ease or total control really decides this round, so it's a tie. Now, ease of use? Hostinger is quick to get started with and all the automation is handy, but you'll probably need to poke around a bit to figure everything out. The advanced dashboard isn't exactly beginner-friendly. Zynoo, on the other hand, minimalist onboarding to the max. You're building in your browser, everything's super obvious, and you don't have to think about the technical side at all. The trade-off is, if you want to geek out with more control, you'll feel boxed in, but for pure simplicity, Zynoo hands down wins it. Support, Hostinger is honestly impressive here. 24/7 live chat, a boatload of helpful guides, and you pretty much never wait long. Only thing missing is phone support, but really, you rarely miss it. Zynoo does the essentials well too. Live chat, email, and their tutorials are actually helpful. But sometimes you'll wait a bit on responses, and again, no phone. So Hostinger is the one to beat for support. Let's do a quick side-by-side radar chart. Hostinger dominates on things like performance, scalability, security, and support, while Zynoo really shines where price and ease of use are concerned. And that design and flexibility spot, it's right in the middle there, anyone's game. So when it comes down to it, Zynoo is honestly unbeatable if you just want your site online quick and cheap, no fussing around. But if you want to grow, add features, or run anything a bit serious, Hostinger seriously steps it up. Depends what you need. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.